Welcome back to my channel, friends. So in this little vlog, I take you guys along a typical week. This is a Tuesday through Sunday where we do a couple things together. We run some errands, check out the new library in town, get some coffee, get my nails done, as well as a little Sunday reset. So hope you guys enjoy this one. So for this week, one of my new challenges is to try something new, and today I'm going to be going to the library here in Salinas. And I've been wanting to go to the library for a long time, and my town is really small and it's part of the high schools. I decided to come to this one, and I'm going to do it's remodeled, so I'm going to get maybe a little tour and then kind of see what books I find, and my free library card by Libby. So if you guys don't know, if you like reading books, you can get a free library card, and you can get books off of Libby and use it on your iPad or your Kindle, and you can also rent books inside of the library. Hopefully when I go into this library, I'll be able to find some books about minimalists and just about, you know, creating like capsule wardrobes. Super excited to go in and see what it looks like. Hopefully I can film a little bit in there and show you guys what it looks like. It's exciting. So we'll go and let's check it out. Of 2023 is just really simplify my life and becoming more of a minimalist, buying less stuff and utilizing what I have. So I did do a full-on closet reset. I really just wanted to kind of cut down. As you see, I'm wearing scrubs. So in my dental practice, I am the office manager, operational manager, and I swear I would purchase so much clothes. I had so many different outfits for every season, every type of clothes, jewelry, shoes, everything to match. And when I had the option of going into scrubs, I decided to say yes. And it's been game changer. In the morning, I just get up, put my uniform on. I do still like to accessorize, but I keep everything very simple. I'm wearing the same jewelry, makeup simple, just like in a minimalist era right now, and just want to consume less, get really organized, and create a simple lifestyle. Did find some good ones. I ended up having to get a new library card. So the Salinas Public Library. So I got me a new library card. I haven't had one of these since I was a kid. It's all high tech. So I pick my books and scan them and take off. So I got Winter in Paradise. And then I got Digital Minimalist, Changing Magic of Tidied Up, The Minimal Home. 4 books, and they're due in 21 days. He says since they're not new ones that I can go ahead, they'll renew twice, so I have time. So I'll come back and pick up some books, but I was really excited. I felt like it was a good time. Happy Sunday, friends. So today is all about Sunday, just being home, resetting, not crying. I had made some chicken and some chili in the kitchen this morning, and so I think I got a little bit of my eye, and my eye has been really irritated. So, but anyways, today we're gonna have some scrumptious chili verde chicken pesola, and it's so hearty and delicious. So if you're somebody who like is looking for a Mexican dish, like this one is so delicious. Plus it has all like, you know, hearty ingredients like your chicken and your, you know, tomatoes and your onions and garlic and spinach and all that good stuff. But I did get to make my banana bread. So as you guys know, I got my banana loaf pans from my mom. She gave me like 2 mini ones and like a regular one. So I was able to make it. I did a almond flour banana walnut bread, and perfect. So moist, perfect amount of sweetness. I didn't have any maple syrup, so I ended up using a coconut sugar. And I find that like baking, you kind of can tweak things. Like for example, you know, with regular flour, you can do almond flour. I am like a gluten-free, dairy-free diet, so I do have to be very like cautious what I'm eating. There is times that I do have some gluten. I will have some, you know, dairy, but I also pay the consequences. So anyways, I was able to make my banana walnut bread. It came out perfect, and I'll share the recipe with you guys if you guys are interested in doing it yourself in the descriptions below. Excited for that. But first and foremost, I want to go whip up a greens energy drink. So if you guys know, I love my greens. So today I'll be drinking my greens with you guys, and I'll go through what the Christmas stuff I got, as well as like go with like a plan with me for Sunday. So Sundays are always about like resetting and planning. And so the greens energy drink really just helps me like get focused. If you guys know, I've been drinking this for over 3 years. They did change the formulation. So it was before 1 scoop with like a lot of fruits and vegetables, and now they made it one little simple package, so you can have fruits and vegetables in just one little single package. It can be with you on the go. I love it for traveling. And so if you're someone who's struggling with like gut issues or skin issues, or your hair and nails, or you want just to incorporate like a healthy habit of getting more like fruits and vegetables, this little supplement is like a game changer. So if you guys want, I'll put the link below. You guys can save 10% by using Arbonne10. They've been so nice and generous to give you guys a code. Okay, I'm back. Little Michael's hauls. Okay, when I first saw this one, I was like, I have to have it. So I got this. It's a little candle Christmas tree. I am just feeling more of the like deep forest tree vibe. I'm just like kind of feeling that right now. Not so much like glitter and sparkle and gold, but more of like foresty. So I got this guy. He's a candle. He's pretty big. I don't know if I'm gonna put him like on my desk or if I want to put him in the kitchen. And then I got this one. This one's really pretty too. It's all like natural. It has like little acorns in there and like greenery. It's really pretty. And this is a candle. This is a 3x4. So it's a tinier one. So I had the idea of putting them like kind of together. And then we got some little tiny trees. These are little mini decorative trees, and these, like I mentioned, I might be putting these in my office. So some of the stuff decor is for my office or my kitchen. I'm not too sure yet. I have the bins down for Christmas, so I need to get those down. Of course, cinnamon sticks. You know, we gotta have cinnamon sticks around here. And then the last little thing that I got was just a candle. So this is like a, kind of like a, I don't know, it's like a deep gold. It's not rose gold, but it's like a deep gold. Quick spiced vanilla. Like a homemade cupcake. So these are gonna be beautiful. This is just great. Even after like it burns, I always love using the glass after. So you can always reuse these, and that's why I like getting like the glass candles. But like I mentioned, we had quite a bit already need to get into. And we're gonna go head over to my desk because we need to do some weekly planning.
My headspace been weaker, it's been waiting for the right day. Like the right day ever comes, now it's Friday. And I